Hazel from ShuangOu, which has over 3,000 designs of the tiles and mosaics. And today is a short unboxing video about our brand new sample box here. As you can see at the surface, we have our company's name here. And let's just start it to see what we have inside the box. So after you open the box, you'll see a few things. The first one is the blue envelope. There's two installation guides, one for English and one for Chinese. And here, all the in-stock products, the tiles and mosaic, will in this catalog. So we will ship it to you right away after we take your orders. And for this one is house using tiles and mosaic catalog. So it's not only the details, but also the design stage over here, as you can see. And the last one is the most important one, the samples. We will put 5 to 6 pieces and stick on this whiteboard. As you can see, it's really hard. So we will make sure it will not move around or broken to pieces after you get this sample. And that's everything in this sample box. So if you are interested in our quality, the color range, or the texture, please feel free to contact us or go visit our website. And that's everything for today. Thank you and bye.